Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. Today's topic is First in World Quiz. Watch this interesting video and try to guess the right answer in just 5 seconds. Please share your scores and comments and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Which country launched the first artificial satellite into space? The right answer is USSR. Name the first person to win the Nobel Prize for Peace. Jean-Henri Dunant. Who won the first Nobel Prize for Physics? Wilhelm Röntgen. Who created the first map of the world? Anaximander. Who was the first man to compile the Encyclopedia? The right answer is option C, Asphiosis. Name the first country which made education compulsory. The right answer is Prussia. Who was the first European to visit China? The right answer is option D, Marco Polo. Name the first country to issue stamps. The right answer is option C, Britain. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please share your scores in the comments.